Hey, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Daniel, and today we're doing the unboxing of the Apple USB-C to headphone jack. I also got recently the Apple M1 11-inch iPad Pro, and this one basically has USB-C, and also with the Magic Keyboard I have another USB-C which I will test today if it works actually with both. So this is the moment of truth. Let's see if it actually works. So let's see if it also works with this USB-C here on that side on the Magic Keyboard. No, I can't hear anything. Okay, so it seems that you can only use it on the main USB-C port and not on the port on the Magic Keyboard. So let's see if another headphone maybe works. Nope, no chance. I was actually hoping that both of them can work. I don't know if there's any settings or any trick that you can use this USB-C from the Magic Keyboard also to plug accessories like the headphone jack, because that would be amazing. If you have any idea how to use it, please let me know in the description below. Anyway, that was my short USB-C to headphone jack unboxing. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, ding-a-ling the bang bang gong, and we see us in the next video. I'm Daniel. Bye.